Have you ever tried to fit a project into a tiny space, only to realize your development board is just too big? It is a common headache for anyone building custom smart home devices. Today, we are looking at the ESP32-C3 Super Mini, a board that attempts to solve this space issue by shrinking the footprint while keeping the core features intact. ESP32 Super Mini development board appears as an option in the family intelligence system space. The important part is whether its role matches your actual use, not just whether the title sounds promising. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. This module comes equipped with 2.4G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. It is built to be a versatile choice for those who need wireless connectivity without the extra bulk of larger dev kits. Do not treat this as the only answer. Compare it with similar products and look for the best balance between usefulness, price, and verified details. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. If you are already familiar with the Arduino ecosystem or use the ESP-IDE for your programming, this board is designed to integrate into your existing workflow fairly easily. Useful clues to review include category/context, family intelligence system, 2.4G Wi-Fi, compatibility/use target, Arduino IoT ESP-IDE, current listed price, 6.03, listed discount, 51%. If a detail is unclear, treat it as something to verify rather than a guaranteed feature. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible. It is well suited for small IoT applications, such as remote sensor nodes or compact smart home switches where you have very limited physical space for the hardware. It may make sense if you are comparing options related to family intelligence system and want something practical enough to fit your routine or setup. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. With over 1,700 units already in the hands of other makers, it has seen a fair bit of adoption. Currently, it is listed at a significant discount, making it a budget-friendly option for your bench. Before you pick one up, double-check your current project requirements. Ensure that your software libraries are compatible with the C3 chipset, as it differs slightly from older ESP32 models. Overall, ESP32 Super Mini development board could be worth checking if the details match your need. Review the listing carefully and compare before buying. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Also, measure your enclosure. Even though it is mini, you should confirm the dimensions against your project box to make sure the USB port and pins are accessible. The listed price is 6.03. But final cost can change with variant, tax, promotion, stock, and shipping. Confirm the current checkout details before ordering. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Prices can fluctuate, so take a moment to compare current rates and shipping options to ensure you are getting the best deal for your specific location. Before treating ESP32 Super Mini development board as a quick buy, start with the real problem. Does it reduce a practical friction, or does it only look useful in the listing? The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. The ESP32-C3 Super Mini could be a great tool for your next build. Check the product details to see if its specific feature set aligns with what your project needs to succeed. ESP32 Super Mini development board appears as an option in the family intelligence system space. The important part is whether its role matches your actual use, not just whether the title sounds promising. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim.